Hi traders, in this video we'll be looking at the Euro Australian dollar trading strategy. This approach combines fundamental awareness of the Eurozone and the Australian data with technical tools that capture the pair's strong, often trend-driven moves and its sensitivity to risk sentiment and commodities. In this video you'll see what I watch in fundamentals for Euro Australian dollar and how the pair typically behaves on the chart and what we should think about technical structure when building a strategy for the currency pair. On the chart, an Euro Australian dollar strategy usually starts with a clean view of the dominant trend on the H4 or daily time frame using tools like moving averages and key swing highs and lows because this pair can trend strongly when Eurozone or Australian fundamentals diverge. Let's move on to the H4 time frame and let's load up our moving averages and average true range. Let's set that to 14. Let's load up our average true range for volatility. I pay close attention to where price sits relative to recent impulse legs and consolidation zones, impulse legs over here, and consolidation zones, looking for pullbacks into prior structure areas, as we can see on the chart. Trend lines or dynamic support and resistance, where continuation or mean inversion behavior tends to show up. From a fundamental angle, I'm watching relative Eurozone versus Australian monetary policy expectations, risk sentiments that affects Australian dollar as a commodity, and China sensitive currency, and major data such as GDP, inflation, employment, and central bank statements, then aligning that backdrop with what the technical price or technical trend is already pricing in. There are no special platform settings for this strategy. I typically rely on standard moving average as I showed you earlier, structure based levels, and volatility measures like the average true range ATR below that can be adjusted to the time frame I'm focusing on. This style of Euro Australian dollar trading suits swing and position traders who are comfortable combining micro themes with clearly defined technical structure and are aware that the pair can experience sharp moves around news and risk on or risk off shifts as we have seen in the charts. It is a discretionary framework only, does not execute trades, and like any cross-based approach, this requires careful attention to event risk, correlation with other Euro and Australian dollar pairs, and disciplined position sizing. You can learn more about this Australian dollar trading strategy using the link in the description below. This gives you a structured way to blend Eurozone, Australia fundamentals with trend and structure based chart work. If you like pair specific strategy breakdowns with both fundamental and technical angles, subscribe to the Forex Geek, like the video, and turn on notifications for more tutorials.